Being an expat spouse is difficult for many reasons. We leave our home and our culture, our family and friends, our job, our daily routine, our hobbies and favorite places. We leave an entire life behind and start something new. We move to a new country with a new culture and language. We need to find a new apartment, a new car, and schools for the kids. We need to make new friends, find a new job, perhaps even a new career altogether. And everything is happening all at once. We start a new chapter in life with all the excitement and hardships that come along with it. But as opposed to our spouses, we are not the source of this change, and that may cause additional issues such as psychological or relationship strains. While each expat spouse is facing a unique set of circumstances, each with their own nationality, family, career, and many other characteristics, we have some things in common too. Many of us share the same problems, like finding a job abroad or settling in our host country. There's no reason for each expat spouse to reinvent the wheel, as many people have already faced these problems and solved them. We can learn from their experience and improve our starting point. Once we have a better understanding of what we're up against, once we know what helped other people with similar problems, we can plan our own solution to our own unique situation. In this course, we'll review the main problems expat spouses deal with and share tips and solutions from hundreds of expat spouses from all over the world. Let's begin.